Renowned as the world's first industrialized city, Manchester offers a promising start to your career journey. Allow us to introduce Circle Square, a student accommodation situated on Nobel Wy in Manchester. Featuring a diverse range of private and shared apartments, the rooms at this student residence are characterized by their spaciousness and vibrancy. Large windows fills the rooms with natural light, creating a fresh and airy ambience. The beds are plush and cozy and are accompanied by ample underbed storage to keep all your valuable things. A sizable wardrobe provides ample space for all your clothing and accessories. Furthermore, the sleek and stylish bathrooms offer a private sanctuary for relaxation or impromptu concerts. Moreover, you could relax while watching a movie with your friends in movie room after classes, or get a quick workout done in the gym before classes. Located in the close vicinity of Into, Manchester Metropolitan University and BPP University, Circle Square is a bustling hub for students. Grab a couple of drinks at O'Shea's Irish Bar over the weekend or visit Rain Bar to celebrate life's little milestones. With one home minimart, Lite is just a minute's walk away. Stocking up on groceries for the week is going to be an easy task. Embark on your career journey with us by booking your stay at Circle Square in Manchester through amberstudent.com.